in for the connections, here you need to connect the battery, the positive and negative. Just the switch is already fixed at this position, this sliding switch. You need to slide that to the right and left. So when you slide it, the system will turn on. At that time, be careful with the arm. Arm will make some quick movements, so take care of that. Just first time when you turn it on. Then if it's making the any shaking actions, rotate the arm bit upside or in any other direction possible to make it stable. It will get stable at that time. So again, there are 3 connections coming from the arm pipe. So one is this one, which is the camera wire. Cam is written on that. The 2 wires goes here with the black and red. Again, the another one is servo with the black and red. Same names are written here. You need to make these connections: cam, servo, and this is the Arduino connector. This Arduino connector goes to the Arduino pins here, exactly below the yellow tape. You need to connect this. So don't change the pin. The pin we have connected this connector are the pin number 5, 6 and 7. So be careful with that. I will write some numbers here. I will try to write. Then you don't need to make any other changes here. In case of this metal detector, it's connected or adjusted like this. You can just insert this plate inside this, and you can adjust the length as you want. Again, so here no connections are there also. And for this sensor, make sure when you connect or remove the sensor, just connect likewise the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So this one. So check the back side and front side. So be careful with this. Don't connect the reverse, or don't connect it reverse.